Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to make Carajillo, or in particular Carajillo 43. This drink is believed to originate from Cuba, while it was still a Spanish colony, but depending on where you are in the world, there are slight variations of the type of alcohol that is used. Basically, Carajillo is coffee mixed with strong alcohol, and in Spain, as far as I know, most commonly that is anise flavored liquor. In Mexico is with commonly with Licor 43, which we're gonna use today. In other places could be substituted by brandy or actually the liquor of your preference. Today I will stay with the recipe from Licor 43 website and also from some friends I have in Mexico that told me the way they usually tend to drink it over there. Let's not waste more time and get to the drink. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our glass and we're gonna fill it with ice. Preferably it's better with a big rock of ice, but since I don't have, we will use this one. And then the recipe calls for 60 ml or 2 ounces of Licor 43. Licor 43 is, as the name suggests, is made using 43 different herbs and spices and some citrus. And for me particularly, you can notice the honey and floral notes. And then to that we need to add 60 ml, the same amount of espresso or any strong coffee you have on hand. I will try to eyeball it. That looks about right. And that is how we make Carajillo. So let's give it a try. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it to incorporate all of the flavors. In some cases you can shake the drink to have smoother and more creamy texture. There is a softer version of the drink, but if you mix it and not shake it, then the coffee flavors are more dominant. So let's give it a try. It's really nice, and the flavors of coffee are still there. It's really like a nice coffee. But apart of that, alongside, you have the nice sweetness and vanilla honey notes together with the coffee flavor. And once you swallow the drink, the aftertaste that remains is really floral. So it's definitely a wonderful drink. I would recommend it to everyone. If you have Licor 43 on hand, give it a try, and I hope you're gonna like it. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.